Unlock the transformative power of breathwork. Breathwork is more than just a practice, it's a gateway to a healthier, more harmonious life. By connecting deeply with our breath, we unlock the innate ability to overcome stress, recharge our energy, and center our minds. This ancient yet powerful technique can be seamlessly woven into modern life, offering profound improvements for physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Are you ready to harness the magic of the breath and transform the way you live and feel? Let's dive into the wonders of this timeless practice. Breathwork, or controlled breathing, is a foundational pillar of yoga and a practice that empowers individuals to unlock their inner vitality. It's not just about breathing, it's about breathing with intention star. By consciously guiding our breath, we influence the nervous system, regulate stress, and channel life's universal energy, prana, toward balance and renewal. In yoga, this process is called pranayama, translating to the extension of life force energy. It is a tool for harmonizing the mind and body, grounding us in the present moment, and helping us navigate life's stresses with grace. The breath, after all, is the bridge between body and mind, a constant anchor we can turn to in both challenge and celebration. Reduces stress and anxiety. With every mindful inhale and exhale, we activate the body's relaxation response, calming the storm of modern-day stress. Boosts energy and clarity. Deeper oxygen intake fuels the cells, energizing our bodies and sharpening mental focus. Balances emotions and focus. Purposeful breathing restores emotional stability and helps us focus by grounding us in the now. Breathwork is a reminder that we already carry the tools to heal, empower, and uplift ourselves, one breath at a time. Life's demands can often overwhelm us, leaving us stuck in a state of tension or anxiety. Breathwork offers an antidote. By engaging the autonomic nervous system, the body's control center for functions like heart rate and stress responses, we have the power to shift from a state of chaos to calm. Slow, intentional breathing signals the body to engage its rest and digest mode. The heart rate slows, blood pressure drops, and muscles relax. This shift from the fight or flight response created by stress allows us to regain clarity and stability. Consistent breath practice lowers cortisol, the notorious stress hormone. With reduced cortisol, physical and mental tension melts away, enabling a more peaceful state of mind. Breathwork connects us deeply with our bodies, allowing us to notice stress as it arises. By cultivating this awareness, we can respond with mindfulness rather than react out of anxiety. Intentional breath can act as a sanctuary, a safe harbor in the midst of life's storms. Here are 2 accessible practices for cultivating peace. This simple but powerful practice anchors the body in a state of calm. Technique: place one hand on your chest and another on your belly. Inhale deeply through the nose, allowing the belly to rise, then exhale fully, drawing the belly inward. Benefits: it reduces heart rate, eases tension, and restores mental clarity, offering reprieve from stress no matter where you are. This rhythmic technique brings balance to a racing mind. Technique: inhale for a count of 4, hold for 7, and slowly exhale for 8. Repeat the cycle a few times. Benefits: ideal for winding down at night or managing anxiety. This breath slows your thoughts and soothes your spirit. When energy dips and mental fog creeps in, breathwork becomes a powerful ally. By improving oxygen flow, stimulating circulation, and balancing internal rhythms, breathwork offers a sustainable lift without relying on external stimulants. Controlled breathing increases the supply of oxygen, energizing every cell in the body. It's a natural way to recharge and combat fatigue. A harmonious balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide is essential for clarity. Breathwork ensures that your energy reserves remain steady throughout the day. Certain breath techniques provide a controlled activation of this system, enhancing alertness and motivation for moments that require peak performance. When you need a spark of energy, try these proven techniques to awaken your body and mind. This invigorating practice clears mental fog and energizes the body. Technique: sit upright and take a deep inhale, then exhale forcefully through your nose by contracting your abdomen. Allow passive inhales in between, repeating the sharp exhalations rhythmically for 15 to 30 seconds. Benefits: Kapalabhati boosts mental clarity, sharpens focus, and energizes the whole system. Quick and dynamic, this technique stimulates circulation and oxygen flow. Technique: inhale and exhale forcefully through your nose at a fast pace for about 10 to 20 breaths. Pause for a regular breath, then repeat the process for 2 to 3 rounds. Benefits: perfect for battling midday sluggishness. Bhastrika revitalizes both body and mind. Breathwork isn't limited to yoga mats, it's a gift to carry through every moment. Morning vitality: greet your day with energizing breathwork like Kapalabhati to awaken your senses and set an empowered tone. Midday balance diaphragmatic breathing calms stress and refocuses energy when life feels hectic. Restful nights: ease your mind before bed with grounding practices like 4-7-8 breathing. Even just a few minutes of practice can profoundly transform the way you feel, equipping you to meet each moment with awareness and strength. Take time to journal or reflect. How does intentional breathwork shift your perspective throughout the day? Which techniques resonate most with your needs, calming or energizing? How can your breath become a source of strength, balance, and harmony in daily life? Breathwork is more than a practice, it's a way of life, reminding us of the power held within each and every breath. Step into this journey of self-discovery and tap into the energy, peace, and fulfillment waiting to emerge.